Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to write a book. All right, so this is going to be interesting, so let's start. Okay, so first let's go ahead and go to chat.openai.com. This will bring us to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, you can create an account here. It is very quick and easy. Okay, so here we have our interface. Now, here we are going to start from scratch. So, say you don't have any idea what kind of book you are going to write. So, actually, you can just ask here. You can say, give me 5 interesting topics for a book. Okay. And it is going to suggest 5 interesting topics that you can write about. Okay, so let's say, for example, let's take the first one here, the rise and fall of empires, a comparative study of the world's greatest civilizations. Sounds exciting. So let's copy this one and say, make me 10 chapters for this book topic. All right, so here it is going to give you 10 chapters of the book that ChatGPT also suggested. Okay, now here you can continue and go to this one. You can copy the first one, and then you can say, make a long chapter about this one. And it is going to give you the chapter. All right, so there you have it. It wrote an entire chapter based on what you requested. Now, say, for example, let's have a new one. Okay, let's go to new chat. And we can say here, make a conspiracy novel about a US president falling in love with North Korean dictator. Okay, so let's see what happens. All right, so there is a title, all right? So the title was The Forbidden Alliance, A Tale of Love and Betrayal. Okay, so here I will just stop this one, but you get the idea. So ChatGPT is going to give you the story or the novel that you are asking for. All right, so I hope this information is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.